Okay, Ezra. So this is going to be just like a really quick, basic, super long story short. So I've already created this playlist for you to bring in. So you just scroll up here to the library once you know what songs are going to be next week. They're all in alphabetical order. What I usually do is I'll leave it on the library, and let's just say we're gonna do Ever Be. You just click on it and drag and drop it up, and we're gonna do Healer, and we're gonna do Lord I Need You. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so all you have to do, if you notice, this is different. The slide over here is different than this. So all you have to do, if you happen to have a song, where'd it go? Oh shoot. What song did I just say we were gonna do? Alright, we'll go with this one. No, we won't. Sorry, give me 1 second here. Lord, I Need You. Okay. So you click on this first slide, hold shift, click on it again, and come down to outro. Do not click on copyright. Come up here to theme, and it's Oaks OKC template 1. Just click on that, and voila, everything changes, and there you go. So down here, to bring in the songs, you'll have 4 or 5 songs. Just click on both, hold down shift, and then drag those 2 up into worship, drop them there. And then for sermon notes, as you can see, I'll put your name here. Sean will give you sermon notes. Only use the highlighted text. And try and keep it like, this is for you, but try and keep it like 2-3 lines max. I'm gonna leave that for you. And then to pull in a Bible verse, you go up here, make sure your sermon is selected down here. Just go up to Bible, and I had Genesis. Okay, I already had 1:1, so we'll do 1:2. Press enter, select that, and if there's more than one verse, you just do click shift and then click the end one, and then come down here to save as and click copy to selected presentation. That's going to bring it over. Come over here to show so you can see it. So you can see that this is where we want it. This is where it is. So we want to come up here to edit. And between the 2 and the verse number and the text, just put 1 space there. And then in order to get this height, you come over here. And I haven't found a way around this yet, so to get the height, you just come over here and copy the blank spaces.
That could alter, direction. I knew I should have thought of that. I see you want. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know why. There we go. And then just Command C, hit the cursor right before number 2, or whatever the first number is, oops, and do Command V, which is paste. It's copy and paste. So Command instead of Control, it's Command V. And once you have the 65-point font up here, it's no big to just do it. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know. This is the logo at the end and the beginning. I'm gonna go ahead and delete these 2 songs. This is the video we play. And yeah, so pretty much your whole thing is set up, except for the songs and whatever sermon notes Sean decides to give you. So if you have any questions, you can call me, FaceTime me, whatever you need. So yeah, good luck.